Hi guys, haven't done one of these for a little while. In fact, my grandson was here the other day and he did one. He actually did number 19. So tonight we're going to do number 18. The way this usually works is I usually do the whole thing in real time and just chat. That's one of those sort of ASMR type videos where you can fall asleep just watching it. And I also usually do a speeded up version just for people who want to see the finished article. So, target range. Alright, lights blink on the front when we've finished, and you have to try and stop the LEDs in the position that you want, or something like that. So actually it'll be very similar to that one. Okay, let's get on with it. Stop waffling, Grandad. All that will be edited out in the fast version. Number 7 to number 152. Okay, there might be a fair bit of noise in the background. I've got the fans running because it's incredibly hot today. Seven to 152. Right, on the front, switch it on. Those two LEDs flicker. Not terribly convincing, but they are. And then you have to time this right to turn off number 1. Oh no, put that in position A. Right, time this right to turn off number 1. Done it. And then switch that to B. Turn off B at the right time. And basically you're trying to break into the sequence. Right, both flickering. Position B. There. Okay, that was a lot of wiring for a couple of flashing LEDs. But that was it. So that was number 18, target range. Job done. That took rather a long time because we made a mistake. So we were chatting and we missed one out. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.